This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your IP address in calls on X, formerly known as Twitter. I will be using the browser version on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into X, formerly known as Twitter. To hide your IP address in calls, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the left side pane, down to where it says More. I'm going to click on More. Then I'm going to click on Settings and Privacy. Then on the center pane, I'm going to go to where it says Privacy and Safety. Click on Privacy and Safety. Then on the right side pane, you want to go down to where it says Chat. Click on Chat. Then the first thing you probably want to do is enable audio and video calling. You want that enabled. Then you can choose who can allow audio and video calls from. You could choose verified users, everyone, people you follow. Then down here, always relay calls. Enable this setting to avoid revealing your IP address to your contact during the call. This will reduce call quality. There is a Learn More button here, but if you want to enable that, toggle it on there. That will be relaying your calls, so you'll hide your IP address from whoever you're calling, and to disable it, you just toggle it off. That is how to hide your IP address in calls on X. Thanks for watching.